to the channel Bullets Garage. I got another video for you guys today. We're going to install some wheel spacers. Now you might be asking yourself, what the hell you mean install wheel spacers? You already have a previous video of installing wheel spacers on your car. You're right, I do, but I'm going to be changing it up a little bit because the front wheels are still a little bit tucking more than I would like them to be, so I'm going to change the front 15mm spacers that I have on the car now to some 20mm spacers. So let's go inside, measure it out, see how much it's still tucking, and we'll do a measurement afterwards when we install the 20mm spacers to see the difference in the look. Alright guys, so let's do a little quick measurement here. I got a ruler I'm going to put down in the center of the wheel to the floor and up against the fender here. So that's basically, you see that little gap right there? That will be meaning the tire is flush with the fender. So if we take a measurement here from the rim, that's a little bit more than a 1/4 inch. So let's take these off, put on the other wheel spacers, and see how much better it looks afterwards. Alrighty. Here's the 15mm spacer. Which I will be posting up for sale if anybody's interested for 2 of these. So let's compare these to the 20mm real quick. See the size difference on them. Look at that. 5mm wider. We are gonna have a perfectly flush wheel with the fender. Can't wait. Alright, so let's get these bad boys installed and move on to the next side. Super easy, just line up the bolt holes. It's hub centric, so it sits perfectly flush. Still have plenty of threads. Alrighty folks, now let's compare. Look at that. As soon as I pull up to the fender, there's the tire. It sits basically so flush. Perfect. So as you can see now, touches the tire and the ruler is right there at the top of the fender liner. So now we are nice and flush. So I'm going to do the other side and then this mod will be done. So if you haven't seen the previous video of how I do it when I remove the bolts, check out that video. It's going to be in the description below. So that way you have an idea of how to do this. It's pretty simple, basic tools only required. Let me do the other side and then we'll be done for today. Please subscribe, like, comment, any questions ask below. Thank you for your support guys. I'll see you guys on the next video.